Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Propwire account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business working remotely online, when you're analyzing deals, you know it's important to have a various set of data points. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in Propwire.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up the website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, you can actually go ahead and start searching properties without signing up. However, if you want to create an account, what you're going to do is click up here on the top right and click on sign up. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you here to the sign up page. Now they do let you know if you sign up for an account, you can go ahead and download property data, save your searches, and then also you can set up notifications. If you don't want to do that, you can just simply use Propwire. There's no charge for it. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and sign up. So you need to enter your first name and last name and then an email, or you can use your Google or Apple to sign in. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use my email. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click here, create a free account. Okay, next Propwire asks you to create a password. And then after that, you want to go ahead and confirm the password and click on continue. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, next Propwire is going to ask you a few questions about what you're going to use their service for. You can choose to answer this if you want, or you can do what I do and click on skip for now. Okay, here they're offering an online training class. If you want to do that, it's free. I'm going to go ahead and skip it. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to the search feature in Propwire. So now I can go ahead and start researching properties in my Propwire account. That way I can go ahead and start saving properties and referencing back the searches from previously. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.